head in my bag. Got a head in my bag. I don't know how we got there. It says through things. It sits and winks. I tried to throw it into the river, but it talked me out of it. Although he's eating me out of house and home, I'm getting rather fond of it. Got a head in my bag. I don't know how it got there. It says through things. It sits and winks. Always wants a lick off my lolly. I've never seen him past 4 o'clock. Although he sometimes changes his underwear, he's never short of socks. Got a head in my bag. I don't know how it got there. It says through things. It sits and winks. If you should know of some old buddy that's as headless as can be, then you know just what to do now. Just get in touch with me! I am a window.